Well, here we have a lovely thing. This is a BSA Victor 500MX or B50MX, except it's not. It's a Triumph TR5MX. Now, anyone who knows the history of these bikes will tell you that it was originally designed as a BSA, and when BSA ceased trading, Triumph took over the designs and marketed it as a TR5MX. There seems to be a lot of crossover in parts, and the Triumph had a slightly different tank. So this is a Triumph, I believe, as the VIN number and the engine number are stamped TR5MX with the Victor 500 tank. Now, a good looking bike and really all complete. The rims are straight, spokes are good, front and rear. Tyres are obviously perished as it's been sitting. And we've got to remember, this is a 50-year-old plus machine. Now, she starts and runs, and all the gears work, and rides what you'd expect a 50-year-old motocross bike to ride like. Quite a fearsome beast, really. I'm not going to start her now because I'm having trouble keeping the tick over and the low running, getting it quite right. I suspect it's a worn carburetor. These AMLs are a little bit soft, and again, it's 50 years old. But we're selling the bike as is, and we'll let someone else have the fun of sorting this one out and getting a run perfectly. Now, a great one to restore, or just renovate as is and have some fun in classic motocross. As I said again, a very cool bike and a lovely thing to own. Decompressor fitted, which works perfectly, and just a lovely original condition machine. No leaks, major leaks from the engine. As I said, all the gears work. Now, the bike will be going live this weekend on our website, which is classicandrare.co.uk, and also will be on our motorcycle news website. For any details, of course, email us, call us. We'll be happy to talk through, and we're happy to deliver anywhere in the world. Just let us know and we can work out a shipping cost. And we look forward to hearing from you. So a lovely classic BSA motocross, a fantastic thing to look at, and rare to find in this market.